Good to see you. A major weekend roadwork project. What you need to know before you go. It's all up and down the Gulf Freeway. Northbound at Griggs, 2 outside lanes will be closed 9 p.m. on Friday throughout the weekend until Monday at 5. The biggest closure sits right in the heart of downtown, where from Lockwood up to West Dallas, they will shut things down. Also, the 69 ramp that connects you to 45 headed outbound. It's a total closure, both areas, 9 p.m. on Friday until Monday at 5 a.m. So what do you do in the meantime? You take 610, maybe Telephone Road or Lockwood or your favorite side street that leads you into downtown. A little bit of road work to mention to you on 225. This is inbound or westbound from Red Bluff to Pasadena. 2 outside lanes will be closed in the overnight hours, 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. and that is on repeat until Monday.